Hello class 10. Today we are going to continue with Harappan civilization. So as in the last video I have shared uh, what is civilization, what is history, and why Indus Valley civilization is called Harappan civilization. If you remember, again it is referred to Harappan civilization because it was the first site to be excavated and a fairly extensive civilization. So today we are going to know about the settlement of the Indus Valley civilization. So as you can see, so there were number of places which were, cities and villages were there. So two main cities were Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, and these were the inland settlements. So most of the sites discovered so far are small village or town with only few large cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. So Mohenjo-daro extended over 32 hectares. Historians say that the most of the cities seem to have followed the same town plan despite being separated by vast distance. So there was a same pattern followed in most of the cities for town planning. The most striking features of the Indus Valley civilization was its well-planned nature of the cities. So let me tell you one thing, that some interesting fact of Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, or Mohenjo-daro was the first urban center in human history, one of the first urban center of human history. It was located in southern part of Pakistan, and it is well preserved, uh, or best preserved city of the Indus civilization, you can say. So it was built during 2500 BC, or it could be in some places you will see it is written 2600 BC, it varies. About the same time, the Great Pyramid of Egypt was built. So this is one of the interesting facts. So Egyptians were building, pyramids, and here the Mohenjo-daro civilization was working on a beautiful, well-planned streets. Proper sanitizations were there, impressive dockyards, granaries, warehouse, walled cities. They built bathrooms. Okay, so just imagine 4-5,000 years ago, you are having such kind of civilization, which is remarkable in history of the world rather. So because of Mohenjo-daro, grand scale archaeologists believe that it may have served as a seat of power for Indus civilization. So there is lot of what should I say, difference of opinion on different theories. Some believe that there were rulers, some believe that it was ruled by priests, some believe that it was an egalitarian or equal society. There was no class distinctions were there. So there was no power as such. So there are number of theories, and as because it belonged to prehistoric era, so we can't say it with 100% surety that this theory is perfectly correct and the other one is not correct or correct. So there are number of theories, and we have to accept all the theories, you can say that. Now the city was divided into citadel and lower towns. The citadel is home of the city exceptional monuments like Great Bath. You have done in class 6. 900 square feet tanks were there at that point of time. Sophisticated toilet system. So there was no place of worship or governance was found in this entire civilization, whereas you see in Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, there was. But in this very Indus Valley civilization, you don't see any temple, you don't see any place of governance. 700 wells were there in this entire Indus Valley civilization. Fresh water was available. And just imagine, it was Romans are supposed to be the well planned, is known for in history as the well planned, they have made well planned cities. But before thousands of years before, this Indus Valley civilization had created drainage system, and proper sanitization was there, which was never seen in other civilization of that very point of time. So that was something very significant, you can say. So, as you know, there was no place for, no palaces, no royal tombs, no temples. So this was very different from other civilization. Rather, a class structure may have been, relatively equal, what one theory suggests. So lower town is having a population of around 20,000, 40,000. Grid system was there. And but what happened, and after 600 years, this entire civilization collapsed. We will go to that portion later. In the next video, we will share important we will discuss features of Harappan civilization.